about getting jiggly with it.
After we get off the train, I'm probably gonna punch both of them. It's gonna be really hard. But
He's gonna take our stereos too. I mean, that's what he does.
you don't have a stereo. Your car sucks.
My Geo Prisms, what's up?
I wouldn't take your stereo. I'd probably take
I
it.
got a Hyundai Accent.
You got on the wrong train.
Wait a second.
You're supposed to go to the Bronx.
Does he know Jay-Z?
Do you know Jay-Z? You know Jay-Z?
You just kind of have to take
You know Jay-Z?
Oh god.
The Izza? The Hova?
What?
Old dirty bastard.
You know everything?
hanging out with these guys.
Ghostface Cuba.
Raekwon the Chef?
I really I know they can like be doing some shit in the background.
Do we still have to ride in the back of the run?
See? So
Is that what's going on these days? Is that what's up?
I just talked to make up shit.
It's really weird. He makes us eat mayonnaise all the time on a road trip. It's really weird.
Where are you going?
Where are we going? We're going to Quebec.
Your bed.
No, not our bed, Quebec. Like Canada. We heard that's where we're going,
Sorry, I
right?
have something in my ear.
I have something in my ear, but it's not a headphone. It's your penis. It's his penis. It really isn't. It's too big for my ear.
So we have friends up in New Hampshire.
Random.
I have family. I'm from Connecticut.
I'm sorry.
Don't have Connecticut.
My croissant. My brie croissant.
Everyone says that. Pretty much.
Did she say we're the most handsome people she's ever met? Because we do get that quite a lot. Truth be told, handsome, affable.
It's like I was saying.
Oh, I can see your skirt.
No, you can't.
After she did that, we could.
See, I'm
Maybe I'll take you swimming.
Tiara, I love this.
You might drive around it. You could actually do it. You could drive us on the side. You can see it. That's fine. If he takes you depending on it, that's fine. Because you gotta go like, inspect it.
wouldn't really want to.
It's not that exciting actually. From the outside, it's pretty cool. I'm sleeping at your house. I'll keep the camera home. Don't worry.
That was amazing.
What did he say? What did he say?
I thought it was Johnny that said it. Was it?
Yeah.
Johnny's the one that said, hey,
I like.
you smell available.
This is for God.
Hey, Steven.
God's my homeboy. If he didn't give up his life for my sins, I would be fucked. And Bible camp has been the best thing ever for me. So this is great. I love these guys. David, row your boat ashore. And
What? Stop being weird.
God drops. Intoxicated. You're toxic, baby. I'm slipping under.
You asshole.
I can't do that.
I didn't have friends in high school.
I
It was
can
me
do
and
whatever I
a
want.
vibrator.
You don't understand.
But then they won't slip down because I have big thighs.
You have your mother's thighs, but you must accept them.
Right around your ears.
The fuck is up with the videos?
Evidence.
No. Cock punch. Gerwood.
What?
Cock punch.
Coming on time
Yeah,
lapse.
don't you?
Cock punch.
Internet people are weird.
He's gonna break his hand. You keep.
Yeah, you people are fucking
You're not that.
Let him stay in your house.
Whoa. Well, hey, how's it
Get in
going?
the fridge and hide. I would.
You're gonna do that.
If I could put a newsroom in Eck every night, I would.
I just want to hang out, guys.
I'm like laying on my sister's legs. It's kind of weird.
Jesus walks into a hotel and
You know why Jesus love, you know why the ladies love
he
Jesus,
says, "Can
right?
you put me out?"
He was hung like
this.
Ladies love Yay.
Thank you. Thank you. I'm never on my.
Hey, what does that mean?
What?
I'm totally hitting this tonight.
Jesus was hung like that.
You guys are not gonna be there.
Dark chocolate is my favorite.
Oh my
I love
gosh.
that about you.
Stop. And if you post any of this, I'll have to get a divorce. I'm not married.
I know you're not married. That's why I'm posting it.
Yeah, he is.
And this is SNC with her crappy pajamas. I hate her pajamas.
Cute. It's soft.
She loves the finer things in life, as evidenced by her panel pajamas.
Where was that?
think it's fun.
Dear
It's from
Diary.
Jory's poop video.
Oh, okay.
Jack. Do you have any kids?
You can't fall asleep.
Find them.
Whatever.
See me sleeping? I warned
I
you.
saw you sleeping.
See you rolling.
Guy.
You were drooling and snoring
I was not
when we
doing
walked
this.
over there.
I was not doing
Don't
it.
ever listen to us.
I know.
You were
it's not.
drooling and you were
I
snoring.
was not
By the
snoring.
way, we don't ever mean anything.
So you don't deny drooling.
We really
Okay,
are esteemed gentlemen.
cool.
Fuck, ow. Bitch, you were supposed to pinch that hard.
We'll take you and teach you how to
I
dress.
wanted that still. It's fucking purple now, shit. How do I get over there and not be killing me?
No, you're serious.
It is the extra motion. It just kind of.
Yeah.
That laugh is
Fucking
probably
lobster claws and all.
You don't answer a single question.
Nice
That's the smartest thing.
Okay.
Wait, what?
I'm sorry, but that was.
Whoa, we were working our game here.
That was the best
She was
line of the night, though.
receptive.
No, she wasn't.
She smells available.
I was like,
Say that.
I don't know. Fuck you.
Pick your own hood. Did you hear him earlier?
Dude, my dick's kind of to the left and
So,
south right
what?
now.
If we could actually focus on
That's
us
okay, my
for a
mouth is a
second,
little bit north.
we actually do have a real report. Canada is a lot different than we
It's a
thought.
good thing we don't exist.
$7.99 egg out of your mind at Denny's for a grand slam. We're not down with that. And the loonies or whatever they use.
Oh yeah, right. Do you have any kids?
We found out, first of all, that the Hudson is a pretty deep river.
There's music tasting.
There's black people here.
Yeah, you're judging by the name on the thing.
How do you like that?
And it was a little awkward.
It's fine. Whose camera is that? I think it's.
These guys are fucking idiots, I swear. But I love them. I love them. This is my.
Chocolate bear!
No, I'm not saying it.
Oh, he never says it.
Magical.
She just called you some Jew slang I never heard before.
A fudgicle.
She's called
Don't
you.
hide from the camera. You've now been introduced. You've been inducted into the flock.
Is
So
that
you
like
know how
Fraggle Rock?
you know how they got inducted? How all the girls here had to inducted. They had to show their tits.
Good for them.
She has a short tit. Come on, let's go.
Good for them.
Come
Her
on,
tits are mine.
come on.
Her tits are mine. You didn't know she was my lesbian
All right,
lover?
how about this? Whenever you're ready, you
She's
know.
not gonna be ready. I don't share.
How do you know? How do you
I
know?
don't share.
She was totally down with the brown
No,
like
she's my
5 minutes
bitch.
ago.
I don't care. She's my bitch.
Do,
Yeah, get your boot out.
do you want to tell them who your daddy is?
Tell them who your mama is.
Tell them who your daddy is. Come on.
Tell them who your mama is.
How about this? Watch this. Watch this. Watch this. Watch this. I'm gonna show you why. She's down. Watch this. Head, pull. She's totally down with it. She's totally down. She's like, oh my god. Pull it harder next time.
Wait, what were we talking about? Was that one your penis?
Winchy's a cock block. I'm telling you right now.
Wait, you were talking about his penis? I was.
Oh, I'll take your picture too.
We're awkward. I'm sorry, Jonathan.
Dude, you have the most unsavory ass.
Unsavory.
Should say
You're the most whitest dude I've ever met.
Really? Because I
She's geeking out
did
over
not
there.
think so.
Betty Crocker over there, the stove over there, is geeking out. It's funny because Betty Crocker on the stove.
Bitches. Big bitch.
You're so mean.
Little bitch.
Oh, not again.
Sweet lady who smells good.
You're not supposed to have a soul.
I heard this,
Really?
Scrummy.
The
Scrummy
hostess.
told me
You don't have
He's
soul.
a doll.
she's not ginger.
That dude.
No, she's a mod.
Mrs. Glass.
admin.
Mrs. Glass.
Admins don't have souls either.
Scrummy told me that you already posted that I'm normal, or that I'm the same person.
Yes,
I appreciate that
Alright,
about
alright.
you.
Hold still.
You asked me to.
Nose.
Are you picking my Junos? I'm so Jewish. I eat bagels with schmear. The Sprouts are gonna be pissed.
What is it?
I love you.
Say that again. What'd you say? What'd you say?
They already heard it. They already heard it.
or smear?
Oh, I didn't do it.
Schmear. It's not smear, it's schmear.
Like, fuck it, I'm sleeping inside here.